Tamavua Primary. The parents, so one this morning who will be flying out this weekend, and also to the media team. Thank you so much. President to come up.
Thank you very much, and once again, Nisambula Vinakan, a very good morning to you all. A special good morning to our 4 beautiful children. Let me get their names right. Raina, Lithiana, Alfred, and Pranav. I think we are lucky to be in your presence here this morning. Okay? And first of all, please allow me to congratulate the children for making it this far. And for being the junior ambassadors. Of course, you'll be the ambassadors for Fiji and your school as well, and your parents and your community as well. Whenever our children go to any international stage to represent our country, I think it's a proud moment for every other child in the country. And it's a proud moment for every other parent in the country and every other teacher in the country. Okay? So thank you to all the teachers and all the stakeholders who came on board, the team primary, and of course the head teacher present here today and other stakeholders as well. So ladies and gentlemen, you've been told that this is not the first time our children are going to be part of this Asia Pacific Children's Convention. And as mentioned, we have I think sent a total of about 180 children in the past. And we have had students from Tamavua Primary School, Penang Sangam Primary, Levuka Primary, Savu Savu Public School, St. Joseph, the Woka Primary School, the Namasi Government School, Tuketi Primary, Mara Marua District School, being part of this bridge program in the previous years. And I'm sure we will not stop here. Come next year, we will have another set of children going to represent Fiji. So, like I said, congratulations. And you are our best 4 for this year. And I'm sure you'll be good ambassadors. You'll go to Japan, network with other students from other countries and share your cultural experiences. And of course, bring back the experiences and networking and knowledge sharing that you gain in Japan with your other colleagues from other countries. And at the ministry, we strongly believe that children must be given all opportunities. And this is one such opportunity where you will be traveling abroad and will be gaining a lot of overseas exposure as well. I don't know whether this is your first time to travel or you've traveled before, but I remember when I was this big, we didn't even travel from Bar to Suva, right? And there are many children that we still have who have never traveled from islands to the city, or they have not traveled from one district to the other. So indeed, you are very, very lucky and you are very special. So please make the maximum use of this travel. And I'm sure you'd be accompanied by your teacher? Okay, so madam, I'm sure you'll be looking after our children well, and you'll prove to be a good guardian and a good guide and a good mentor and a good parent to them. At this age, normally children miss their parents when they leave home. So I'm sure you will be able to make sure that they do not miss their homes and their parents as well. Japan is known for its good food. Okay, please experience very nice food you will find. Okay, so eat well and be healthy, look after yourself. Please be prepared for the weather. I'm not sure what the weather there is right now, but it's summer. Make sure the clothes that you're taking with you is sort of light for that weather. And of course, don't forget your medicine and stuff. I'm sure the parents are prepared to be away from the children for that long, and the children are prepared to be away from their parents for long. Okay? Enjoy. Don't miss Fiji too much. Obviously, you'll have to come back to Fiji after your convention finishes. And ladies and gentlemen, if I could just add here, despite the fact that we have the Convention on the Rights of Child, but we still find out that in many parts of the world, many children's rights are still being violated. So again, our children are still subjected to violence. Our children are still subjected to domestic violence, sexual exploitation, child trafficking, and child labor. And Fiji is no exception to that. So if I could just once again make a humble plea to the nation that our children need to be protected from all forms of violence. And equally responsible are the parents, the government, and the other agencies that we work with, and we will continue to work with these agencies to ensure that we always champion the rights of our children. Okay. So again, children, again as mentioned, from next year we will pay your $1,000 country levy. Okay, so you don't have to look for the $1,000 here and there. And of course, we will see how best these children can be supported. So leave it to us. We'll work with the ministry on that. And it is my honor this morning, again, like I said, once again, congratulations, and I wish you all the very best for your travel. Okay. And it is my honor to accept your i-Tatau today and to convey to you Fiji's collective best wishes, the Prime Minister's best wishes, my best wishes, the whole nation's best wishes for a successful Asian Pacific Children's Convention Conference. Okay? And be rest assured, while you are there, we will pray for you so that you have a happy time as you depart Fiji, and we will await your return. So when you do come back, I would look forward to meeting you and hearing from you what your experiences were. So children, thank you very much. May God bless you, and may God bless your families, and of course may God bless Fiji. And thank you all for being part of this very, very important stakeholder engagement, and where we are going to bid farewell to our team from Fiji who will travel to Japan. And come Saturday, I'm sure you'll be all excited to board the aircraft that's going to take you to your destination. So enjoy and good luck. Thank you.
Representing Fiji. Tomo kenda mi kaenda umaroi membeliti kenda na menovit. The school, their parents, the Ministry of Education.